Hey! We're gonna circle back around and look at this peacock. He just ran across the road.
Excuse me, people.
And I'm zoomed all in.
Like, oh my gosh, these people recording my house. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm so sorry, but what are you doing? Recording a peacock.
A peacock. Where did he go?
He was camouflaged. Joking.
Look at the beautiful bird. And they only in certain neighborhoods.
They ain't in the hood.
They not in the hood.
They'll be like throwing
Look at a
rocks
beautiful
at 'em or something.
peacock.
They must be paid for them to be over here. Somebody have
And pay for them? So beautiful.
How do they get over here? I don't know.
I don't know if you guys can see them good.
Limping.
Oh yeah, but it ran across the street like, I wish it would open up the feathers.
You gotta scare it. They only do that when they're scared.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
If you ride up on it and beat the horn, it might open.
I wouldn't do that. Get it limping.
Chloe, look, you see the bird?
Oh, I forgot
You see
to
the
tell
peacock?
the baby.
You see it? Open your feathers, please. Please. Hello.
What if he took the he's running away with them? No.
Feathers.
But that's not out.
Open.
That's right.
Eating
Come on.
worms.
Yeah, he's in pain.
Told us.
The poor thing.
It ran across the street like it was.
He must be hurt his leg running. Because he's trying to hurry up. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. We just want you to.
And they have some beautiful feathers.
Well, he's trying to go as fast as he can. Oh, he
Look
stopped
at
and
the
found
color.
something to eat. Ooh, he just ate something. Is it good? It's good? Yeah?
No, he hasn't. Listen. Footsteps. We
Ew.
can follow them. Come on.
Whatever you eating, that look nasty. Oh, he's a vegetarian. Oh,
He eating the grass?
yeah, he eating herbs. That's what he's eating. I just saw him eat like one of the cloves or something.
Maybe that's why he limping. I guess these people. Cars coming. I hope they can get by. Beautiful. Oh gosh, these people act like they can't go around. I got stuff to go do. I'm around here recording a bird. Sorry, y'all.
How you doing? What's up?
Beautiful.
Where you
Oh, he's
going?
limping.
I suggest you rest. Come on.
It's moving fast. Oh, here's another.
Maybe they walk like that. I don't know. I never really. His legs look scary. I don't know why it kind of remind me of dinosaur legs, like a smaller version.
I guess
could
these
be
people like.
related.
You never seen a peacock? Yes, I've seen several. Just recording them. Look at him limping.
I think he got something on his leg. See, you see that?
In the back, on the left one.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so busy looking at the bird. Look at us. Somebody watching us.
Doing what?
Behind us.
They doing what?
Watching us.
Where?
What is this in for? Oh, this is a dog. Oh, that's a cat. Okay, that's it. Thank you for letting us film you. I would like to see what this cat will do.
I hope your leg feels better.
Car coming. I'm gonna have to move now. Thank you guys for watching.